Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty products to bring you the most honest, expert-driven reviews. Today, we're looking at the 34-inch 13x6 Lace Front Wig by Jeyy, an HD lace frontal wig made from 100% Brazilian virgin human hair. This product is designed to provide a natural, deep curly wave look that's perfect for a variety of occasions. Let's get into the details and see if it lives up to the hype. This 13x6 lace front wig is crafted from high-quality, unprocessed Brazilian virgin human hair. The wig features a deep wave pattern that's both soft and bouncy, offering a natural, voluminous look. At 180% density, it promises a full, thick appearance, which is ideal for those who want a little extra volume and depth to their curls. The lace itself is Swiss HD transparent lace, designed to blend seamlessly with all skin tones for a more invisible, breathable, and comfortable wear. Now let's talk about the real-world experience. The installation process was straightforward. Thanks to the adjustable straps and 4 combs inside the cap, it felt secure and comfortable from the start. The medium cap size, 21.5 to 22.5 inches, is a good fit for most, but it's always a good idea to double-check the sizing before purchasing. The wig didn't feel too tight, and the lace was easy to work with, allowing for a natural-looking hairline with its pre-plucked bleached knots. I tested the wig in different conditions, including wet and dry styling. When wet, the curls maintained their defined, bouncy structure, giving off that beautiful, fresh-out-of-the-shower look. The texture felt incredibly soft, and there was minimal shedding, which is a huge plus. However, like with any curly hair, maintaining that deep wave pattern requires some care. Be sure to hydrate and detangle gently to preserve the integrity of the curls. One thing to note, while the hair is gorgeous and soft, the HD lace can be a bit delicate. If you're new to lace fronts, you may need a bit of practice when it comes to securing the lace with glue or adhesive. But overall, it's manageable and beginner-friendly, especially with the helpful tools that come with it, including the wig cap and headband. Now let's break down the pros and cons. The pros include its natural look, thanks to the pre-plucked hairline and bleached knots. The HD lace is a standout feature, as it blends effortlessly with different skin tones. The 180% density ensures that the wig has a full, voluminous feel without looking overly bulky. The texture is soft, bouncy, and manageable, making it a great option for those who love curly hair with a lot of movement. On the flip side, the cons are minimal but worth mentioning. The lace, while invisible, can be a bit fragile if not handled carefully, so some extra attention is required when securing it. Also, with curly wigs, you may experience some tangling over time, especially if the wig is worn frequently or in humid conditions. But with proper maintenance, these issues can be minimized. In terms of value for money, this wig offers a good balance of quality and affordability. While it's not the cheapest option on the market, considering the high density, quality of the hair, and versatility in styling, it provides solid value for its price. The included accessories, like the wig cap, eyelash, and headband, add extra worth, especially for first-time lace wig users. Comparing this wig to others in the market, you'll find similar lace front options, but this one stands out due to its 13x6 lace area, giving you more flexibility with parting and styling. Many other wigs in this price range have a smaller lace area, which can limit your styling options. If you're looking for a versatile, high-density curly wig, this one's definitely worth considering. When it comes to build quality and longevity, the wig's construction is solid. The lace and hair are well made, and with proper care, it should last a long time. You'll need to be diligent about keeping the curls hydrated and detangled, but this wig holds up well under regular wear. The included headband and cap are helpful for additional comfort and fit. As for customer support, there isn't a lot of direct interaction needed for this product, but from my experience, the brand is generally known for having good customer service with responsive communication in case you need any help with the installation or maintenance. Now, if you're considering some alternatives, there are similar curly lace front wigs available from other brands at varying price points. However, if you're looking for a wig that offers HD lace, 180% density, and the softness of virgin human hair, this one does offer competitive quality. For those on a tighter budget, There are synthetic lace front wigs with similar curl patterns, but they may not have the same longevity or styling options. So, what's the final verdict? The Jeyy 34-inch 13x6 lace front wig is a high-quality option for anyone looking for a natural, voluminous curly look. It's especially well-suited for individuals who want a wig that offers flexibility in styling and a natural hairline. If you're new to lace wigs, you might need a bit of practice with the installation, but once you get the hang of it, this wig is definitely a winner. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. If you've used this wig or have any thoughts on lace front wigs in general, drop a comment below. Let's chat about it. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.